welcome to Lisa B. Thank you so much for joining me. Oh my goodness, what an ab burner I have today. I'm almost a little bit scared. So yeah, serious ab burner. I don't know why I'm doing this, because I know that you know where your abs are. I just like doing this. Oh, it feels quite soothing. Anyway, let's get on. So about 10 minutes of pure heat in the old belly. Yeah, let's warm up first. So let's lie down, rest the head, just take this moment to enjoy this very brief moment of almost relaxation. So drop the shoulders. So you're gonna take an inhale, exhale, tummy muscles in, lower back into the mat, left leg into tabletop, right leg into tabletop. Inhale, left foot down. Exhale, right foot down. Nice and quiet, just warming up the abs. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, right leg up. Inhale, left leg down. Exhale, right leg down. One more time, relax your shoulders. Inhale, left leg up. Abs are in. Exhale, right leg up. So now tap them both down together. Stay with singles if you feel like your lower back's coming off the mat. Don't feel like you've got to touch the mat. Again, if you feel like your lower back's coming off the mat. Let's go for 5, 4, make sure the movement comes from the hip. 3, 2, 1. Going straight into dead bug, so we're going to really keep it moving for these 10 minutes. So opposite arm, opposite leg. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale in. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale in. Let's go for 8 more. Keep pulling that belly in, keep the lower back into the mat, keep your shoulders relaxed. You're moving the arms, but the shoulders are relaxed. Don't be hunching up the shoulders by the ears. Last 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we're going to stay on the same side. So right arm, right leg. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Exhale, belly in for 5, 4. Should really feel the thighs working as well now. 3, 2. Really lengthen that leg away. Point the toe. Other side. Inhale. Exhale, belly in. Oh, look, I've just done the other side. I'm so used to doing opposite arm, opposite leg. Tummy muscles in. Keep moving that left arm and right leg. Right arm and right leg is nice and still. For 3, 2, 1. Hug the knees in, a little brief respite there. So legs up towards the ceiling, lower leg drop. So hands can be under your pelvis if you need it there. So lower and lift. We're going for 10. Don't go as low or bend the knees to modify. 3, 4. Really great for lower abs. 5, 6, keep pointing those toes. 7, 8, 9, 10. Knees in, hands behind the head. Let's lift those head and shoulders. So right leg, scoop and in, and scoop and in. 8 more, belly in. 1, 2, keep the shoulders off the mat. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep lifting those shoulders. Make sure the space between your chin and chest. Last 2. Into oblique. So we're going to straighten just the left leg. Right leg in tabletop. Lift that left shoulder up and over 8 times. 1, 2, 3. Keep the hips still. 4, 5. Keep going, keep going. Last 1, change over and lift. So lifting that shoulder, not just trying to get the elbow across. There's 3, 5 more. Tummy muscles in, you're really feeling this in the obliques. Last 2. And then we're going to alternate for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Straight leg oblique. So lower the left leg, lift that left shoulder up and over towards the right leg. Change over for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last 10, I promise. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Legs into tabletop. Lift your head and shoulders into the 100. So pulse the arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and straighten. 2, 3, 4, 5 and in. 2, 3, 4, 5 and straighten. 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep pulling the belly in. Keep going. Pulsing those arms. Pointing the toes, lower back into the mat. Abs are on fire. Keeping the shoulders relaxed. Try and keep the shoulders lifted. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and out. 2, 3, 4, 5 and rest. Oh my goodness, that was not funny. That had no comedy value. So froggers, heels together, toes apart, hands on the mat. Stay high to make it easier, low to make it harder. So inhale. Exhale, push away, flexed feet. Point the toes, bring them in. Flex, push away, heels are touching the whole time. Bring them in, we've got 8 more. Keep breathing, keep pulling the tummy muscles in, keep the shoulders relaxed. They will want to lift, try not to let them. Let's go for 3 more. I always lose count. Oh my goodness, I'm sorry. 2, 1. Double leg stretch, legs in tabletop, lift your head and shoulders. So now inhale, lengthen. Exhale, circle the arms, legs in tabletop. Inhale, lengthen and circle. And lengthen, and circle, and inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. 3 more, in, out, and in for lengthen. Last one, inhale, exhale, and done. Little rock from side to side. We have no rest, no rest. Let's come up. We're going to go into a little bit of a side plank variation. So bottom knee can be bent to modify. Your elbow is going to be on the mat. So bottom knee bent or side plank, so both feet are on the mat. Elbow under your shoulder, straight away lift the lower ribs away from that. Try not to go into that slouch. So I'm going to lift. Arm comes up, it can be on the mat to help you. Hip dips up and down 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold up, reach through, rotate the torso for 1. Inhale, look up. Exhale. Last 2. And lengthen, and down, other side. So elbow under that shoulder, push away, so don't slouch. Bottom knee can be bent, you can lift the hips like that, or both legs straight, and lift. Arm comes up, hip dips for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reach throughs. So rotate the torso like you're trying to open, like you're trying to face the mat, and then look up. Last 2. And up and down into some shoulder taps to finish. So you can modify this with your knees down and back. So you're in like a half plank, a modified plank, tapping the shoulders without letting the body rock from side to side. Or go into full plank, tummy muscles in, feet, hands are a little bit closer than normal plank, legs are a little bit further away. So tap the shoulder without letting the body rotate too much. We're going for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold the plank. 10 seconds, belly in, lift the knees, push through the heels. Breathe. Bring the knees down into some cat-cows just to finish. Stretch out the abs, stretch out the back. So push the spine up, drop the head. Opposite way, belly down, chest through. And round. Just slowing the breathing down, one more each way. And done. Oh my goodness, what an ab blast, what an absolute ab blast. Thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe, just hit that subscribe button. It's so free, it doesn't cost you anything. You'll get a little notification every time I upload a video. I'm talking really fast, it's like I've been fast forwarded, but I haven't. Slow it down. Thank you so much for joining me. Press subscribe, let me know what you thought of the video, leave me some comments below, and have a beautiful day.